Hey girls, this is Linda, just a crochet sister. I got some happy mail. This is from Melissa Perez in Jacksonville, Florida. Isn't that pretty? Melissa, thank you so much. That's beautiful. And Merry Christmas to you too, honey. That's beautiful. I love getting Christmas cards. And then I got this one. This is from Amsterdam in the Netherlands. I've never got anything from Amsterdam before. It says, Linda, just a crochet sister. Isn't that neat? I cut it, but I haven't looked at it. Oh, look. Linda, for the nice things and moments. I'm sorry. Oh, Jesus, I'm sorry. This says, wood from the Bethlehem, real Bethlehem. It's from Jackie. Oh, my God. Jackie Lubeck. From the Amsterdams in the Netherlands. Oh, isn't that neat? Look. And look. It's a little donkey and a little bell. And she said this wood is from the Bethlehem, the real Bethlehem in Jerusalem. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Oh, thank you so much, Jackie. I really appreciate it. That is so wonderful. I really appreciate this. Thank you. And may you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, that's lovely. Jackie and Melissa, it's just wonderful. Okay, girls, I'm on my phone, so I can't talk too long. But if you want to grow your channel, at 11 o'clock tonight, go to Island Life Fishing. He's a grow channel and hysterical. It is so much fun. You will, Madonna goes, Mimi's Crafty Crojo goes. It's a lot of hookers go, and you will really grow your channel. And he's a wonderful person. I mean, it's just a wonderful community to be in. I'll link the link below. So I'm going to push the little button and say, goodbye, girls, and Merry Christmas.